My Pretzel Crusted chicken nugget salad has crunchy, juicy morsels of meat on a bed of crisp greens, and then toss everything together with a creamy Caesar dressing. To get started, I'm crushing up my pretzels, which I love on chicken nuggets because they add that pretzel-y flavor, they add saltiness and crunch. My pretzels are crushed. I'm gonna dump them into my shallow bowl here. Pretzels go with everything, savory and sweet. And now to get these pretzels to stick, I'll whip up a mayonnaise coating. I like using a mayo-based dredge because it adds so much flavor and moisture to the chicken. I'm gonna start with half a cup of mayo, and then a 1/4 cup of mustard, some grated Parmesan cheese, and this is really finely grated so that it helps everything stick, and then a teaspoon of garlic powder. Lastly, I'll add some fresh cracked pepper. And I'll stir this until it's smooth and creamy. Looking good. Now I'll grab my chicken. I got my chicken breast here that's cut into nuggets already, and I'm gonna work in batches, taking the chicken through the coating, the pretzels, and then onto the pan. And I'll just get in here with my hands. I'll toss it around and get it evenly coated in the mayo, and then I'll transfer it to the pretzels and get it coated all over in the pretzels. And I have one hand for the chicken and the mayo mixture, and one hand for the pretzels. It'll just be cleaner that way. And I'll just put this onto my pan, evenly spaced so that the chicken gets cooked on all sides. And before these go in the oven, I'll spray them with some cooking spray so that they can get nice and crispy. So easy. Now I'll bake them at 425 for about 12 minutes until they're cooked through and golden. My pretzel crusted chicken nuggets have been baking, and it smells like the best fast food restaurant in here. I'm gonna check on them. These are golden and beautiful. I'm gonna let them cool slightly while I whip up my dressing, and then I'll put the salad together. This dressing is super creamy and extra cheesy, which are 2 hallmarks of a great Caesar dressing. I'm gonna start with plain whole milk Greek yogurt, and it adds that great tang. I'll add 1 cup to my bowl. Half a cup of Parmesan cheese, a couple of tablespoons of Dijon mustard, a few shakes of Worcestershire. I'll add the zest and juice of a lemon. This is such a great dressing to make in a big batch and to have on hand. I love it. And while I have my fine zester out here, I'm gonna use it to grate in my garlic cloves. I'm gonna add some olive oil, which will make this dressing rich and luxurious. About a 1/4 cup, and then I'll season with salt and pepper. This dressing looks awesome. Okay, I'm gonna grab my veggies and then I'll put this salad together. I start with curly leafy kale and add sliced radishes for color and pepperiness, a little shaved Parmesan, and then toss with my creamy Caesar to get everything fully coated. And then I have to have avocados. More cheese, some more Parmesan, and now the golden crunchy chicken nuggets, the star of the show. I love the colors of this salad. Pile these right on top. And I'll finish with some more black pepper. Okay, I'm gonna taste a chicken nugget. So crunchy and flavorful. I am obsessed with these nuggets.